There are 10 basic questions that you will go through in order to develop the vision and roadmap with your team using the Inception Deck technique. First is ask why we are here and discuss these reasons until you get an agreement around a statement that is shared by the whole team. Second important question is to create an elevator pitch that will help you visualize the scope and the objectives of the project. Third important idea is to immediately design a product box in which you will include the name of the project, the basic visual image and a slogan, and three of the features that you consider important. Next is to create a not list, a list of the things that you will not be able to include in this main iteration of the project. This is as important as the elements that you will include, because you have to limit the scope of the project immediately and apply this idea to every single iteration. The next step is make the team meet the neighbors. That is, all people involved somehow in the project, even if they belong to other departments, other units, and those are groups that you don't have normally contact with. Show the solution. It's important that you get an agreement about what the solution to the project is going to be, and that you visualize it and show it to the main customer. Next idea is to write a list of things that keeps the team up at night. That is, the main risks that you are facing, which of those risks are good risks that you consider essential to be taken for the project to be successful and for the team to be happy, and those that you have to avoid at all measures. Next is that you size the project up. You have to decide what's your perfect equation when you compute the budget, the time, the quality, and especially the scope, which is the main element you will be able to play with. Once you have sized the project up, you will be able to move into the next step and make it clear that some things will have to give, that you cannot build the perfect product for every single individual. So some things will have to give, and you have to write those down from the very beginning. And finally, you'll have to show what's going to take in terms of commitment, resources, and vision for the whole team. If you are able to set clear answers to all these elements, you will have a very dynamic and successful project in your company.